5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heard, learned counsel for the petitioner, the state and the Bihar School Examination Board, hereinafter referred to as the board. The petitioner was considered and appointed on compassionate grounds. Non-payment of salary led to the institution of this writ application. The writ petition was disposed on 19/5/2008, observing that if he had been recommended for appointment by the committee constituted for the purpose, there was a presumption in law under section 114E of the Indian Evidence Act of the legality of the appointment. A fresh verification may still not be unwarranted in circumstances existed for the same. There did not appear to be any such issues at this stage. Directions were made to pay salary in accordance with law. The respondents preferred LPA number 980/11. It was held that they had not been allowed opportunity to file a counter affidavit, and barely within 2 months from the date of institution, the writ petition had been allowed in haste affecting justice. The observation that presently there appears to be no issues warranting the same was not appropriate in absence of opportunity to file counter affidavit. It was theoretically possible that on scrutiny the appointment may be based on fraud or the like, and therefore null and void, thus disentitling any claim for salary. Setting aside the order, the matter was remanded for reconsideration. The respondents have filed counter affidavit. The original selection records of the petitioner has been placed upon directions issued. The father of the petitioner died in harness on 29/9/2001. The petitioner applied for compassionate appointment. He was considered and recommended by the committee on 12/4/2004 for a Class 3 post, and in case of non-availability of vacancies for a Class 4 post. The District Education Officer, Patna, issued him appointment letter number 383 dated 8/2/2005 for a Class 4 post at the B.R.K Jalan Inter School, Patna City. The joining was accepted on 16/2/2005 and he started to discharge duties. After 4 months, he approached the District Education Officer, Patna, aggrieved with non-payment of salary. In his representation, he reiterated that the job was imperative necessity for him in the family circumstances. The District Superintendent of Education directed submission of the matriculation certificate to be routed through the principal. He again wrote to the District Education Officer on 16/10/2005 that he had not been paid his salary and he was running from one office to another, but no one was paying heed to his grievance. He had reached dire straits. No one in the office was considering his grievances, much less speaking to him properly. He belonged to the Scheduled Caste. He approached the District Education Officer again on 26/2005 but received no response. Paragraph 12 of the writ application specifically avers that in between the principal and the District Education Officer, he was sometimes told that his certificates were forged and at other times that he had a contagious disease, unfit to be retained in government service. The insinuations were made orally. He had been certified medically fit by the civil surgeon before joining. इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में इस पैसेज का टेक्स्ट दिया हुआ है.